Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the UPSC Prelims previous year economic questions. Okay. See, the session is mainly focused on how to crack the upcoming prelims exam with the easy way of cracking. Okay. So simplest way of cracking the any questions. Okay. So how to find the key within the question. Okay. Or else how to eliminate the statements. Okay, with the basic knowledge itself, how to go for an answer. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so the session is more than knowledge; it's all about your psychology. Okay, so how calm and more keen and clearly you are trying to answer the question. Okay, so for that this session will be more useful for you. Okay, let's begin the session. See. So this question is all about the Digital India plan, okay, or else the Digital India program. Okay. See, main thing about this question is how easily you can eliminate the statements and easily go for an answer. Okay, so that thing will be clearly given in this question itself. Okay, so there are certain extreme statements. Okay, if you able to find that extreme statement means you can easily eliminate it and you can easily go for answer. Okay, but for that you have to be more open-minded to address any question. Okay, so let's begin the session. First of all, you have to know about what is Digital India program. Okay, so the question is all about aim of the Digital India program or aim of the Digital India plan. Okay, so this question is mainly focused on that thing. Okay, so what is the ambition of this program? Okay, or what is the target of this program? Okay, if you have that knowledge means you can easily go for answer. Okay, actually the Digital India program is to give the connectivity or a digital connectivity to every nook and corners of the India. Okay, also to connect the rural areas of the India. Okay, and also to overcome the digital illiteracy or else to overcome the gap between the digitally literate and the digitally illiterate. Okay, and also to provide the universal access to every person for the access for the digital platform. Okay, so increases the accessibility. Okay, and also to increases the knowledge of the person to how to approach or how to use the digital resources. Okay, so all these things are focused on this Digital India program. Okay, so that is the main ambition. Okay, so let's discuss it. Okay, so Digital India aims to provide the much needed thrust to the 9 pillar of growth in areas, namely broadband highways, okay, universal access to the mobile connectivity, public internet access program, e-governance, e-kranti, okay, delivery of services, information for all, okay, electronic manufacturing, IT programs. So everything is comes under this Digital India program. Okay. Other than that, okay. So what are the main motive behind this? Digital infrastructure as a core utility. Okay, cordon to the grave. The digital identity is unique, lifelong, and online authentication for every citizen. Okay, and availability of the high-speed internet as a core utility for a delivery of services. Okay, so this is purely focused on increasing the digital accessibility. Okay, and also decreases the digital gap between the people. Okay, so digital knowledge gap between the people. Okay, next, to provide government and services on demand, seamless integrated services across the department and jurisdictions, availability of services in the real time, all citizens entitled to be portable and available on the cloud. Okay, so next, making financial transaction electronics and cashless. Okay, so digital empowerment, universal digital literacy, universal accessible digital resources, availability of digital resources, collaborative digital platforms. So all these things are focused here. With this knowledge, you can easily answer that question. Okay? Next. Which of the following is the ambition of the Digital India plan of the government of India? Okay. So first statement, formation of India's own internet company. See, it is saying that formation of India's own company. Okay, and also it is comparing with China. See, the Digital India program is maybe, okay, due to the growth in digital infrastructures, okay, growth in internet connectivity, there may be in future, there may be the growth of many Indian owned internet companies. Okay, that may happen. Okay, but this is not the ambition of the government of India. Okay, so which means this may be happens. Okay, but the question is more clear. Okay, it is not asking that what will be the outcome, what are the possible outcome of the Digital India plan. Okay, the question is clearly I am asking about the aim and ambition. So in that sense, the formation of India's own internet company like China did, it is totally irrelevant. Why that? You can easily eliminate the statement 1. Okay, so eliminate the statement 1, you can find that 213 and 313. Okay, so then you have, so by that itself you are clearly know that third statement is accurately correct. Okay, it's absolutely correct. Okay, you have to find whether the statement 2 is right or wrong. Let's see. Second statement is all about establish a policy framework to encourage the overseas multinational corporations that collect the big data to build their large data centers within our national geographical boundaries. Okay, see, it is saying that Digital India program is pulling the or else push the government to make a plan for the building of the internet-owned companies in Indian territory itself, India geography itself. First thing, it is not possible to construct the servers in India. See, the geographical reason is it is due to the climate of India. We are in a tropical country. Okay, but to have a servers means it needs more of a cooling system. Need more cooling system. Okay, but the countries in the above temperate region or in the Arctic region means they have the inbuilt ability due to their geography. Okay, the climate is providing certain advantage to that countries. Okay, so most of the servers of Facebook or else Insta, they have the servers only in that region only. Okay, in their country only. The reason behind this is the geographical benefits. Okay, if they are going to build the servers in India means it needs a lot of spending on the cooling systems. Okay, that even though if you spend more lot in the cooling system, still there may be any issues may happen. Okay, and also for security purpose also they are building that in their own territory. Okay, but this question is saying that the aim of the Digital India program is to pull the multinational companies to build the big data within Indian territory. This is totally irrelevant. This also maybe happens or may not happen. Okay, this is also not the direct aim of the Digital India program. Okay, so by that you can easily eliminate second statement itself. Okay, see, the thing is the first and the second statements is totally in a drastical way. Okay, it is more of extreme statement. Why that you can easily eliminate and you can easily go for answer. It is a B3 only. So it's all about how you are approaching the question. Okay, so if you have general knowledge about what is Digital India plan means, you can easily answer. This is asked in 2018. At that time period only, this plan was put forward. Okay, so for that only, it is purely from the current affair. For that only, these kinds of questions are asked. Okay, so it is a policy based question, and it is more of factual questions also. Okay, thank you.